Speaker. This budget is an attack on Alberta's seniors. During the election, the Premier promised to support seniors and improve their quality of life. Little did they know, her empty words would empty their bank accounts. By eliminating property tax assistance in 2014, this Premier effectively hikes property tax for Alberta seniors, or they can pass debt along to their children with a conveniently provided deferral program. My question is to the Premier, is the property tax assistance program to keep seniors in their own homes just another crutch that the Premier wants to get rid of?
Mr. Speaker, it's true that the education property tax program will end in the next year, and that for high-income seniors over $63,700, that program will no longer exist. And I think it was about an average of $160 was the grant given back to all seniors homeowners. The opportunity that we have in front of us with this budget, Mr. Speaker, is the opportunity to defer part or all of your property taxes. Up to $2,000 would be the average. $2,000 versus a grant of $160.
Hear, hear. Honourable member. Very much. Be picked up by the kids, Mr. Speaker. Higher property tax means more seniors will be forced out of their homes sooner. Not only is this hard on seniors and their families, but it can't help but increase long-run costs to the government as well for housing and health care. Will the Premier explain how she can think that the solution to this province revenue problem lies with taxing fixed-income Albertans?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Again, a simplistic suggestion from the opposition. There is no doubt, as our Minister of Seniors has said, that this was a tough choice to make. And I'll tell you that it certainly does impact people in my constituency as well, Mr. Speaker. But there's no doubt that as we move ahead, that the decision that we have made is going to ensure that more seniors have more money in their pocket to be able to continue to live in their homes and to continue to live their lives in dignity, Mr. Speaker.
Honourable Leader. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Well, given that the flat tax supported by the Progressive Conservatives and the Wild Rose is causing much of the problem with Alberta's services, causing them to flatline, and given that the Premier's record of broken promises now includes cutting seniors' benefits, slashing their drug coverage, and hiking taxes on the very people who've already paid their share to build this province, will the Premier admit that forcing seniors to pay more taxes is both unnecessary and unfair?
Mr. Speaker, our Minister responsible for seniors has been an advocate for seniors for many years, has worked very hard on the Seniors Property Tax Deferral Program, Mr. Speaker, and we were very proud to be able to include that in 2013, because that, Mr. Speaker, is going to affect seniors across this province who've asked us for the flexibility to be able to make choices with respect to their life, and that's exactly what we've delivered, Mr. Speaker.